How to upload digital products to Beacons.AI. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can add digital products on Beacons.ai. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to Beacons.ai and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home, please navigate to the menu bar on your left hand side. Here, you have to click on digital products. Again, head towards my digital products. That's gonna take you to this interface. Now to add a new product, here click on add new product. Here select digital product. Now you'll be taken in this page where you can add your digital product. For that, you have to go through this four checklist. First of all, that is product piece. So here you have to add your product title. Click on product title and here add your product title under this text box. And the second one is price. You have to add the price for your product. The third one is description. You have to add the description to your product. And the fourth one is media. Click on it and here you could either add images or embed a video. And under that you have to add your product files. Click on product file. Here you could either upload a file from your computer or add a link. So once you're done with all of the sections, now you'll be headed towards to the second checklist, that is checkout. So under this checkout, here you have to add all of this information, name and email address, and here you will have the checkout settings. The third checklist is success screen. So this is the success screen and the fourth one is email receipt, and this is the email receipt. Now, once you're done with all of these four checklists, here you will have a button as publish. If you click on publish button, with that your digital product will be successfully added on your Beacons.ai. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.